Alright guys, my brother Scott put it together, one of these other heaters, but you guys seen this one, but he did this one, and see how he did the mount? Wooden, exhaust going down, ran exhaust through a 2-inch T, takes a 2 3/8 hole saw to cut the hole in the board. 0 degrees outside, we got both heaters going, and it is 78 in here. Definitely no problems there. And for safety issues, I forgot to mention, he does have a carbon monoxide detector, just to be on the safe side. But everything is working really good, just fine.